Hey guys, I don't know if you knew, but it's my birthday today.
That's nice. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Hey, bro. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I had booked it. I can't.
Excuse me? Can I tell you something?
What?
Did you hear what I said? Yeah?
No.
Oh, I just wanted.
Hey, dude. Can I tell you something?
Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Hey, can I tell you something?
Do I know you?
No, but I gotta say something like, really important.
What?
It's just that
Excuse me? I'm new here. Do you know where the bathroom is?
excuse me, can you guys show me where the bathroom is?
Oh,
Hi, can I sit here? Something really cool. What?
no.
It's like really cool. I want to tell people about it. It's just that, you know,
Yeah.
did you know that? Did you know that people? Yeah. Well.
Hey, dude, can I tell you something about that book? Can I tell you something about that book?
I really don't care.
I mean,
I wanted to let you know that. So
thank you.
did you know that?
Yeah. See, I don't know.
You want another one?
Yeah, I think I need to go take another shit.